Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for yung ngayong new moon in Pisces sa February 28, 2025 at 8:44 a.m. Philippine time. So itong reading na to, maaring mas makaresonate dito yung mga Virgo rising. Kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano ang inyong rising sign, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. Although pwede din namang makaresonate dito yung mga Virgo sun or Virgo moon. Okay, and if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so for you Virgo, itong new moon in Pisces is happening in your 7th house of relationship. So yung mga Virgo rising dyan, maaring you are manifesting or starting a new relationship, romantic relationship. Maari nga lang na parang niisip nyo, paano nyo gagawin yon kung busy kayo sa trabaho nyo or yung mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan nyo, like yung career nyo, business ninyo. So it's a time for you to reassess your situation, kung paano mo susubukan or paano mo bibigyan ng pagkakataon yan. Maari ring meron kayong bagong project, can be a business partnership with someone na katrabaho mo. So pwedeng pareho kayo ng career path or katrabaho mo siya, tapos naisip nyo na mag-start kayo ng negosyo or business partnership together. So maaring yan yung sisimulan ninyo. You also have Neptune here and North Node, which is in your 7th house. Fated connections for some of you, no? Pwedeng may, kumbaga parang serendipitous na tipong maaring may mga signs na ipapakita sa'yo na you are meant to do this, you are meant to be with this person, or meant to be na makilala mo ng taong to start a business together. Like for example, nag-uusap kayo tapos biglang nabanggit nyo pareho na may idea kayo of, meron kayong parehong idea o isa na sign yun, or pareho kayo ng interest tapos naisip nyo na why not start a business or a collaboration together. Although meron tong challenging aspects sa Jupiter, pero ang Jupiter kasi is benefic planet, so ibig sabihin favorable pa rin sa'yo yung challenge na to. So kumbaga, ito lang yung catalyst or pamamaraan para mailabas mo yung best sa'yo. Okay? So, when it comes to your career path, meron ditong expansion, merong improvement. So, maaring meron kayong commitment, no? Bagong commitment for, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng mapopromote kayo or merong bagong responsibility na ibibigay sa'yo yung company that you are working for, or meron kang magiging very serious relationship or commitment with someone, and at the same time meron na rin kayong binubuong pangarap together na pangmatagalan. Oo. Some of you, maaring makilala nyo yung inyong the one, yung inyong soulmate. If you are single or if you are already in a relationship, maaring meron kayong collaboration or business together na sisimulan or project together ng partner mo. Success, diba? Sumakses. There is success in this partnership. I think pareho kayo ng goal sa buhay. So, syempre, pag pareho kayo ng goal, gusto nyong mangyari. So, in alignment kayo, and definitely you have the same vibration na gusto nyo, yun yung mapuntahan nyo. So, I feel like yung energy ninyo together will bring success in your project, in your relationship, or ano man na pagsasamahan ninyo. And very important din is yung inyong communication sa isa't isa. I think you will be more open sa sa relationship nyo, whether this is romantic, whether this is business relationship, fertility. So, very productive ang energy na to. So, yung iba, maaring merong creative work or creative career path na kung saan parang magiging mabilis yung progress nito para sa'yo. Especially that someone is there for you or willing to help you, willing to support you. So, if you are in the social media, communications field, yan dyan yung career mo, there's definitely success na may experience ninyo. Kaya lang, itong success na to, may kasama siyang hard work. So, hindi to yung parang overnight success, bigla ang success. Ito yung mga dating mo pang nasimulan or dating mo pang itinanim na anytime soon you will see great results dun sa pinagpaguran mo. Oh, 'di ba? Sumakses ka na naman. The Chariot. Success and then the Chariot. The Chariot kasi is about victory. Moving forward. Wow. You also have the Seven of Swords. Nako. Seven of Swords is about may deception, okay? Yun nga lang, para siyang ano sa'yo, babala, like a warning. Siyempre, kung ikaw ay papasok sa isang relationship, kailangan kilalanin mo muna yung person na yan. So, if this is business partnership, kilalanin mo. Okay? Kasi, pwedeng ano yan magsasabay sila na meron ditong pwedeng maging reason for you na isabotahe yung partnership, relationship, pero meron din naman palang talagang totoo sa'yo. So, you have to be vigilant. O, diba? May justice card. Kailangan mo talaga pag-isipan. I-balance mo yung pros and cons. Kasi maaring hindi lang isa or two or more yung opportunities for you for partnership. Kaya kailangan mo siyang piliin. You have the Eight of Cups. Maaring meron kang kailangan i-let go to make room for this new opportunity. Let's say, letting go of your career or a business for a new project. 'Di ba? Depende 'yon. Show the world the real you. So, this is being true to yourself. Pagiging totoo sa iyong sarili. Trust the universe. Yes. Yung tiwala mo sa universe, tiwala mo sa Diyos, tiwala mo sa sarili mo, na everything will be alright. Take a breather. And if there are times na medyo nako-confuse ka, naguguluhan ka, kailangan mo lang ng time na mag-release ng stress. Okay? Iba-iba tayo ng way to release stress, but kung ano, whatever works for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.